Clear Bra, North Dallas, 2022 Tesla Model 3 full wrap Expel Ultimate Plus with the DynoFlex windshield protection on the front windshield, and then the XR Plus window film on the inside. We got 30% in the front and 15% in the back. So let's take a walk around the wrap and what we look for excuse me, when you're getting a full wrap on a car. And the first thing that you need to talk about is your prep. When we get these cars in, I know most people think that when they come from the factory, the surfaces are perfect, but you got to remember something. Some of these things go through a pretty extensive transit time, whether it's from overseas or within the United States. And these cars will get parked in open fields and lots, in the train yards and so on. So a lot of things get embedded in that clear and they need to be removed by us. And if they can't be removed, there's a system somewhere in our arsenal we can remove it, but it'll show in your wrap. So moving forward on this car, let's take a look. We'll look at our front. We're going to look at our doors, our A-pillars, how we don't have any edges. Most of the car wraps you see, the Clear Bra, not talking about vinyl wraps, we're talking about the polyurethane paint protection film wraps that actually self-heal. You don't wax them. They do a lot of different things that vinyl, those are your colored wraps and advertising type sticker things. So this is obviously a clear paint protection film. It's by Expel. It's their Ultimate Plus product. Over there is a Stealth product going on that Rover. But anyway, what we do is we make sure that all those edges are getting wrapped. No lines on top. You'll see a lot of times there's a line right there. That's not, you're not protecting the edge for one, and two, it's just gonna start to get dirty and corrode and start to peel back. That's why we wrap all the edges like this. All these edges are wrapped. Everything, we take this molding out right here and we wrap all the way under that A-pillar. We take this molding off here, it's real simple, and we wrap underneath that. Without removing that, you can get to the edge, but it's still not good enough. We go all the way up in the side here. Around these cameras, no big deal. We can actually make the hole smaller and we fit it and then work the fender piece out. No big deal. Coming around these door handles, they can be wrapped like this. You just got to know what you're doing. There is a way to get it done. It's not a problem. We do it every day. And wrapping that so there's no line around it. Easy money. Coming around these quarters, wrapping them inside the door. No big deal. Wrapping them all the way around these edges. Not a problem. Coming up in here, coming around these lights, wrapping all the way in here, easy money. And then much more the same side. All the decals go back on. Everything goes back on the same orientation without any problems. Wrapping underneath this guy, no big deal, very simple. And much more the same over here. So that's the full gloss wrap. We'll do this one later. That's the Stealth wrap. See, we got the hood not done yet, still gloss, and then the door you can see in the Stealth. This is a very meticulous wrap. A lot was removed so we can get in all these areas and make this thing look like it's perfect. And coming back over to Tesla, sorry, I digressed too much. So on top of this, we also put a ceramic coating to make it more slick. Does the PPF need ceramic coating? No, it does not. The PPF does everything on its own. The reason we put that ceramic on there, it just makes it super slick. It gives it a ton more sun protection, but mostly what we're looking for is that slickness from the liquid of the ceramic and the ease in cleaning the car if you don't take care of it like you should. But we get rain here, so we get that street grime on there. You're gonna need to get soap on it, and the ceramic's gonna help you. With the bra, it's still good, but the ceramic makes it a little bit better to break down dirt from sticking on the body. So there it is. Everything's wrapped in, everything's good to go. You know, your tow hook's all wrapped in, all this, everything gets done perfectly. So there you go, guys. ClearBraNorthDallas.com is the way to get us. 214-414-3809 is another way, extension 1. I'm Brent. Any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you guys. Take care.